Guys, it's Chris out here, just outside of Moncton, New Brunswick. I'm in a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek, and this year I got on the Pirelli Ice Zero Studded from the factory. These tires here, they're excellent tires. I had on the Firestone Winter Force 2s, and I had on the Blizzak DMV 2s over the past couple years. I put these on, and I gotta say, these are definitely better than those two. 13/32 tread depth on it. Factory studs all along here. We got about 20 centimeters of snow tonight. You can see that it's all building up everywhere here. Lots of snow. So let's test them out. I just came back from the city, and these tires are super grippy. Even though there's not much ice on the ground right now, built up is just all light snow, they're definitely doing it. I found the Winter Force 2s were good. They were good in the light snow, but ice and slush, they weren't that good. Same with the Blizzaks. They were good. They were good all-around tire, but they were better in the deep snow. But just by taking this out the past hour, these were definitely better than the Firestones and Blizzaks. The Pirelli Ice Zero Studded from the factory. 225, 55, 17, 13/32 tread depth, lots of sipes, real soft rubber, lots of studs. As you can see right now, I'm doing 50 clicks, no issues whatsoever. Actually, I'm doing 60 clicks right now. The ABS doesn't even kick in with this at all, nor does the traction control. Yeah, there's a lot of snow on the road. I don't know if the video can even do justice to how much snow is here, but there's a lot building up. They're calling for about 20 centimeters of snow. Started early this morning. I'm going to stop a little bit harder here. Ready? And I'll take off quick. No issues whatsoever. I definitely highly recommend these tires. And I got these on my 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. A lot of snow built up here too in this driveway to the campground. Let's just go back right now. I'll do a hard stop right here. It's icy there, so I'll stop pretty good. And like I said, I slammed on the brakes. I got my foot to the floor here, and it took off good. 60 kilometers going in this little hill here with lots of snow around, building up. The wind got it. The wind got it kind of chopped up in layers going across the road here. But yeah, no issues with these. These tires are great. I think they're the best ones yet, to be honest with you. I figure I'd do the review just in case you guys are wondering what are some good tires for the Crosstrek. They don't make much noise either. I gotta say, on the dry conditions, they're a little bit loud. I mean, they're a studded winter tire with a 13/32 tread depth, so they're going to be a little bit loud. That's expected, but it's not a crazy loud. And even on dry surfaces, the stopping is good. Oh, yeah, it just plows right through it. No problem whatsoever. Slamming out a little bit here, let you guys see that. Lots of snow. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this little video here. Have a good night.